tulungan mo po ako. Tuwing nakakatanggap po ako ng pork barrel, hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko na nakawin ito. Nagigilty po ako at nadidepress ng malala at matagal dahil dito. Ang sabi ng psychiatrist, sige, tutulungan kitang magkaroon ng self-control para hindi ka magnakaw sa taong bayan. Sumagot ang politiko, Dok, huwag po! Gusto kong tulungan niyo ako para hindi na ako mag-guilty at ma-depressed. Ganito daw ang menu ng automated answering machine ng mental health hotline. If you are obsessive-compulsive, press 1 repeatedly. If you are codependent, please ask someone to press 2 for you. If you have multiple personalities, press 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you are paranoid, we know who you are and what you want. Stay on the line so we can trace your call. If you are delusional, press 7 and your call will be transferred to the alien mothership. If you are schizophrenic, listen carefully and a small voice will tell you which number to press. If you are a manic depressive, it does not matter which number you press. No one will answer. If you have amnesia, press 8 and state your name, address, telephone number, date of birth, credit card details, email address, and your Facebook password. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have low self-esteem, please hang up. All operators are too busy to talk to you. If you are a politician, please hang up. There's no hope for you.